So if you see preferential allotment means actually the company which they don't have funds, if they are going for public subscription or something, they want some external support means at that situation they have lot of options like private placement, public issue, rights issue, like this many things are there. Okay, so for getting funds, no, you have lot of sources actually. Okay, so if I want to do my business, not only my internal source or getting support from the banks or from the financial institutions in the form of loan or something like that. Apart from that, you are going to raise funds in the form of shares and debentures shares particularly. So you can even make a preferential allotment. So as I told that you have lot of options to raise your funds. In that, one is the quickest method of raising funds is preferential allotment. Apart from that, public issue, rights issue, like this you have many things. Okay, public issue means I'm going directly to the public. Okay, so I might appoint a merchant banker, some person for that, and I may go for directly, I may issue prospectus to them. So you might be knowing what is meant by prospectus. So how you are getting for college admission, you have a college prospectus where rules and regulations, everything will be given. So similarly for a company, they will be having certain contents in that prospectus about their share capital, about their directors, managers, all those things, about their share capital, everything will be mentioned there, contents will be there. So they have to issue that prospectus, they have to draft that, they have to issue to the public and get their funds. Okay, so public subscription. So one is public issue, other one is rights issue means already existing shareholders get if I'm going to issue shares means, then that is known as rights issue. Okay, so public issue means I'm going to go to the public and get my funds, okay, in order to do my business. But rights issue means already there will be people, some existing shareholders. Further, if I want funds already, if I require around 20 lakhs and I have gone to the public for raising funds. So again, second time, if I need still more additional funds of 10 lakhs like that, I need not go back to them because it takes some time and lot of procedures. Instead of that, already existing shareholders itself, I will issue my share. So that is known as rights issue. Okay, but preferential allotment, if you see, means this is that if I think to a few investor, to a few people. Okay, so I want to allot these shares. So that is known as to priority. Preference means what? Priority. I'm going to give preference, priority to certain people, and I'm going to allot them shares. So that is known as preferential allotment. Okay, public issue means directly going to the public and getting the funds. Rights issue means existing shareholders itself, I'm going to issue the shares. Okay, preferential allotment mean it can be any people. Okay, where I'm going to allot them shares, I'm going to give first priority to them and I'm going to issue shares to them and I am going to allot shares to them. So that is known as preferential allotment. So why this preferential allotment is done actually, if you see, in order to raise funds quickly. So I cannot wait for a long time, or if I don't want to do lot of procedures, complexities is there. If I want to go for public issues, certain things are there. But if I'm going to allot shares to a few people, okay, then few known people like that, if I'm going to allot shares means, then I can easily get my funds. My source of finance will get easily, I can mobilize funds from the public, from that person actually. Okay, so that is the one benefit which I have got with the preferential allotment. For this also, a lot of procedures and provisions has been given under the Companies Act. So sections, everything has been given, what are the proceedings they have to follow. Okay, so that you have to note down. Okay, so preferential, what is meant by preferential allotment? Just a minute. Just a minute. Krishnaveni, she is there now. Krishnaveni,
Yes, ma'am.
you were absent during the
Ma'am.
first hour.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, okay, ma. Attend all the classes regularly. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Any other absentees now? I think all are present now. Just a minute. Give me some time.